In this video, we'll go over Flux. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year? With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Before we begin, we are having a 700 XRP coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, Flux to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on September the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change, from investing into something that will hit rock bottom, or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is Flux? Flux is the cryptocurrency that powers the Flux ecosystem. It has a number of uses, including purchasing resources, collateralizing nodes, and fueling transactions on FluxOS, as well as rewarding both miners and Flux node operators for providing computational resources. The Flux ecosystem is devoted to empowering everyone to develop, deploy, and use the decentralized Internet of the future, Web3. At this moment, the Flux ecosystem consists of a native, mineable POW cryptocurrency, a powerful decentralized computational Flux network, a Linux-based operating system. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Decentralization is essential for the Flux Web3. There are many projects calling themselves Web3, but they use centralized infrastructure. That means they are not decentralized, and applications running on them are prone to being impacted by a single point of failure, as centralized data centers experience downtime, which is constantly happening in centralized clouds. Flux is the first truly decentralized Web3 infrastructure, with no single point of failure and 100% uptime. Flux has been developing POW. The impact proof of useful work will have on both crypto and traditional industries will be tremendous. It is one of the biggest projects that Flux is undertaking and has the potential to transform how we view proof-of-work blockchains and solve the current sustainability issues that are often subject to negative attention from blockchain critics. Flux is looking to harness the vast amount of compute power its GPU miners use to secure the blockchain, by getting it to solve real-world problems instead of the random problems used in traditional POW chains. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting $18 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.